Myself Pinky Panchal, subject Organization of Commerce and Management, Standard 12th Commerce, topic number 3, Entrepreneurship Development. As you see in this chart, all the terms surrounding entrepreneurship are related to each other, and you are already familiar with these terms. These terms like human capital, education, networks, etc. should be kept in mind while understanding this concept. The term entrepreneurship is often used synonymously with entrepreneur. Conceptually, they are different. The entrepreneur is essentially a business leader, and entrepreneurship is a function performed by him. The three most important terms in entrepreneurship development are entrepreneur, entrepreneurship, and enterprise. The ability to bear risk of establishing a new organization or an enterprise, an entrepreneur plays a vital role in planning and converting it into an activity that is entrepreneurship. One might have heard about Dhirubhai Ambani for Reliance, Ratan Tata for Tata Group, Narayan Murthy for Infosys, etc. They all went beyond boundaries, and now they are the topmost successful entrepreneurs. You have also heard about people who leave their job and decided to do something on their own after completing their studies and work for themselves. At this, they started a business. A business is based on an idea, and how an idea commences will learn and move towards our topic, that is an entrepreneur and an entrepreneurship. An entrepreneur is a person who does something new and innovative on his own and starting a business rather than working for someone. The term entrepreneur is derived from French word that is entreprendre, which means to undertake the risk of new enterprise. According to New Encyclopedia Britannica, an individual who bears the risk of operating a business in the face of uncertainty about the future condition. Entrepreneurship is a process of actions of an entrepreneur who is a person always in search of something new and exploits such ideas into gainful opportunities by accepting the risk and uncertainty with the enterprise. According to B.C. Tandon, entrepreneurship is the ability to create something new, organizing, coordinating, undertaking risk, and handling economic uncertainty. Characteristics of an entrepreneur. First, intellectual capabilities. An entrepreneur always thinks creative. Honestly, he has good intelligence. He also has the ability to analyze all the business situations, and this skill will help him to take proper decisions. Second, future vision. The entrepreneurs have good foresight to know about the future market development. He can take the proper decision according to the market situations and market changes. Third, hard work. A successful entrepreneur will always be ready to work hard. Hard work will always distinguish a successful entrepreneur from an unsuccessful one. Next, technical knowledge. An entrepreneur should have sufficient technical knowledge about the products and his plan to produce. Timely changes of technology should always be updated to be in pace, that is speed, with the market. Next, communication skills. This refers to communicate effectively. It is very important that the sender and receiver of the message are being understood perfectly. An entrepreneur has to communicate to various parties, that is customers, suppliers, creditors, employees, etc. Next, highly optimistic, that is always be positive. An entrepreneur always think positive in all the activities. He is always optimistic with the market situations even in failure times. Such positive attitude helps the entrepreneur to run successfully. Next, risk-bearing capacity. All entrepreneurs are risk takers. They are always ready to take the challenge of uncertainties. he or she has, of course, a mind to segregate risk from uncertainties and a mindset for taking the risk. Last, self-confidence. Self-confidence is a key entrepreneurial skill for success. It is concerned with how a person feels about his ability. A successful entrepreneur believes in his abilities and always ready to take the risk. Now next, functions of an entrepreneur. First, innovation. An entrepreneur analyzes the existing state of company's affair and try to reach a new level by trying new combination of existing resources like introduction of new goods, use of new methods of production, etc. Second, determination of objectives. Here, the next function of entrepreneur is to determine and lay down the mission, vision, objectives, and goals of the business. Development of market. An entrepreneur has to undertake market research for systematic collection of data regarding the product, that is, the demand for the product, selection of the product line, price of the substitute product, etc. while starting an enterprise. Fourth, new technology. In global world, every day new technology is launched. For becoming a successful entrepreneur, he has to update his knowledge regarding new techniques which will always result in growth of business. Fifth, good relation. A successful entrepreneur always take care of making or maintaining good relationship with the person to whom the business is to be transacted, like his superior, employees, subordinates, etc. Sixth, organizing funds. All the activities of a business depends upon the finance and its proper arrangement. It is a responsibility of entrepreneur to raise and organize funds internally as well as externally. And last, taking decision. Entrepreneur is also known as decision maker. He takes various decisions like determination of objective of enterprise, proper development of organization, maintaining good relations with everyone, etc. Entrepreneurial Development Program. I will explain this definition in simple words. Entrepreneurial Development Program is concerned with developing and motivating entrepreneurial talent and growing him to be an effective entrepreneur. An entrepreneur makes use of the factors of production to the fullest advantage of society, create innovations, generate employment, improve the standard of living, etc. Entrepreneurial Development Program has an important role to play in solving the unemployment problem. Objectives of Entrepreneurial Development Program. First, to formulate project, to select project, to analyze the environment, to acquire the basic managerial skills, to understand the process and procedure of setting up of enterprise, enable to communicate clearly and effectively, develop a broad vision about the business, and enable to take the decisions. Phases of Entrepreneurial Development Program. An entrepreneurial development program consists of three broad phases. First, initial or pre-training phase, second, training or development phase, and third one is post-training or follow-up phase. Initial or pre-training phase. This phase includes the activities and the preparation required to launch the training program. The main activities are creation of infrastructure for training, preparation of training syllabus, tie-up of guest faculty, arrangement for inauguration of the program, designing tools and techniques for selecting the trainees, formation of selection committee, publicity campaign for the program, development of application form, pre-potential survey of environmental opportunities. Thus, pre-training stage involves the identification and selection of potential entrepreneur and providing initial motivation to them. Second phase, training or development phase. During this phase, the training program is implemented to develop motivation and skills among the participants. The objectives of this phase is to bring desirable changes in the behavior of trainees. A trainer should see the following changes in the behavior of participants. First, is he strongly towards his project ideas? Is there any changes in his entrepreneurial outlook, role and skill? How should they behave like an entrepreneur? Does he possess the knowledge of technology, resources and other entrepreneurial knowledge? Is he skillful in choosing the right project, mobilizing the right resources at the right time? Continue with the second phase, content of training program. First, technical knowledge. Once the entrepreneur selects a particular enterprise, the technical aspect of the trade is essential. He needs to also know the economic aspect of the technology, including cost and benefit. Second, achievement motivation training. The motivational development program creates self-awareness and self-confidence among the participants and enable them to think positively and realistically. Third, market survey. The participants should be given opportunity to actually conduct market surveys for their chosen project. Fourth, managerial skill. Once a participant is able to start the business, he requires managerial skills. These are particularly essential for a small-scale enterprise who cannot afford to employ specialists in different areas of management. Fifth, project preparation. A lot of time needs to devoted to the actual preparation of the project. Their active involvement in this task would provide them necessary understanding. Post-training or follow-up phase. This phase involves assessment to judge how far the objectives of the program have been achieved. Monitoring and follow-up reveals drawbacks in the earlier phase and suggests guidelines for framing the future policies. In this phase, infrastructural support, counseling, and assistance in the establishing new enterprise can be reviewed. Some common activities in this phase are as follows: preparing and maintaining a separate file for each trainee, a history card indicating the biodata of each entrepreneur on the work done by him, keeping in touch with every entrepreneur through letters, passing the desired information to the entrepreneur well in time, follow-up meeting and follow-up register to ensure the success of the entrepreneurial development program. Finally, we come to the conclusion. Entrepreneurship plays a crucial role in the growth and development of economic system of society. Entrepreneurs play role in strengthening economic growth of a country as well as speeds up modernization by doing research and development. Thus, entrepreneurship development aims to enlarge the base of entrepreneurs in order to quicken the pace at which new ventures are created. This accelerates employment generation and economic development. Thank you.